Shall I compare thee to Pure Vive's best day? Thou art more converting, nigh more revenue generating. Rough PPCs and AI do shake the darling TikToks of February, but thy eternal pixel and proprietary own tracking software shall not wither, but be forever attributating. ClickBank, oh ClickBank, how do I love thee? Let me count that. No, it's February, it's Super Bowl season, it's time to see the winners, to see who plays for keeps and takes home that trophy at the very end of the month. Go Niners. So let's get our top offers for February 2024. You ready? I'm ready. Just in time for Valentine's Day, we have 5 amazing offers for you to promote this February. This month is all about those supplements, and we have something for everyone. Men's health, blood sugar health, supplements that harness the power of espresso. You want it? We got it. So sit back, relax, and let us take you to a lovey-dovey date, but more importantly, to the sports bar for this month's top offers to watch who's gonna take home that cheddar. In spot number 5, we have Nano Tonic from the geniuses who brought us lean belly juice. This weight loss offer is already proven to be a success. Yeah, that's right, a success. Nano Tonic is a powerful weight loss supplement that contains a proprietary blend of exotic nutrients that wake up a sleeping metabolism and jumpstart that weight loss in the new year. So, Nano Tonic not only supports weight loss, but through its synergistic powers, yeah, synergy, it also boosts energy and vitality. Yes, it's a magical thing. So this offer has an optimized VSL, wide market, and low refunds. This new and up-and-coming offer is perfect for new affiliates and seasoned affiliates all alike. It really has it all. So check out the affiliate tools to see if this offer could be a match made in heaven for you. And why is it a match made in heaven for you? Them stats. EPC, $1.19. The average payout value is $143.11, and the hop conversion rate, 0.83%. And so you're like, well, that's not above percent. I need to have a percent. But a lot of people are starting to get on it. So go and promote it. There's a wide range, and for those who are more expert in it, we're seeing conversion rates above 1%, especially on email and SEO. Go grab it. In spot number 4, we have Alphat Tonic. Alphat Tonic is a powerful supplement designed to support men's health through a blend of plants, herbs, and extracts. Yeah, gotta get them extracts. And when people hear men's health in this industry, they tend to think about just one particular segment of men's health. You know what it is. Yep, the prostate. No, but there's much more to being a man than a big, powerful, strong prostate. Muscles. Muscles, that's what we're talking about, is muscles. And Alphat Tonic supports it all, from virility to vitality to sexuality to masculinity. We're talking improved testosterone levels and bone density, better sleep and cognitive function, increased libido, performance, and of course, improved and increased muscle mass. Yeah, come get it, just like these guns. Affiliates love Alphat Tonic for a lot of reasons. A big one being their huge, amazing tools. Not to mention those awesome email swipes. These tools are gold, friends. Amazing. Take a look at their APV. I mean, take a look at it. This is an excellent offer. You don't want to miss out. Go to the marketplace, grab that link, and here's those stats. It has an EPC of $1 and an average payout value of $132.93 and a hop conversion rate of 0.74%. And when you're looking at just most recently, the last 30 days, those are all way up. Even more so if you just take that segment. So go and promote this offer. It is a great one. If you missed out on the diet and weight loss gold rush, promote it now in Q1. And it's really good for, you know, February. Hey guys, if you're liking this content, be sure to like and subscribe. I promise I won't read any more poems at you. That was just a one-time thing. I was feeling it. I know, I love bomb. I just put all of this energy out at you, and I just want you to subscribe. Also, take a look at here. I'm pointing the right way. That's what they told me. And up there, there's a link to our best romance offers. You know, dating, things that are great for February to kick up that spiciness and also to get some conversions and get some good commission. So check it out, click on it and watch it. And be sure to like and subscribe. And that brings us to spot number 3, Sugar Defender. And if there's one thing my sugar needs, defending. I don't want to lose it, I want my ho-hos. And I get it, a lot of things suck, but blood sugar problems suck in their own special way, and that's why the creators behind Sugar Defender made this product to support those debilitating mid-afternoon energy crashes. With a combination of gentle yet effective all-natural ingredients, Sugar Defender protects your energy throughout the day by charging metabolism, fending off cravings, and keeping the blood sugar stable. Affiliates love this product because it has stellar upsells. It's crushing it on mobile, and it has converting affiliate tools ready for you to use today. It's amazing. So what are you waiting for? Head over there, get to the marketplace, grab your hop link, and start promoting it. Seriously, it's an awesome one. It's a brand new one. You really can't beat the stats on this one, and I'll tell you why. It has an EPC of $1.56. It has an average payout value of $148.02 and a hop conversion rate of 1.05%. My goodness, it is a beast. It is coming for Pure Vive's lunch. It is a great offer, and it's a great offer getting out of the holiday season. A nice yin to the yang of the diet and weight loss, and you know, you gotta take care of the sugar. It's gotta be what you eat, right? Okay, so let's get on to number 2. In spot number 2, it's Fitpresso. Fitpresso is a supplement that relies on a 7-second coffee loophole that claims to clear your body of weight gain causing toxins. It's all about the loopholes, people. It supercharge your metabolism and melt off your fat, your thighs. Well, you don't want to melt off your thighs. You kind of want to keep the thighs, but you want to melt the fat off the eyes, the underarms and all that. Fitpresso is a supplement that relies on a 7-second coffee loophole that claims to clear your body of weight gain causing toxins, supercharge your metabolism, and melt fat off your belly, your thighs, your neck, and your underarms. This formula all comes down to the circadian rhythm of your fat cells. Yeah, they got rhythm, they got juices, they got dance moves, and this is all in the first 3 minutes of the VSL. Well, maybe not dancing, but this VSL is fire, y'all. It's got a good B-roll, upbeat jams, and most importantly, a script that converts. That EPC and conversion rate don't lie. And Fitpresso is positioned to crush it in the next few months. They got a great team over there. They're getting really good traction, so get in while the getting is good. Go to the marketplace, get your link, and talk to them and start promoting. So the EPC, $1.48. The average payout value is $137.85. And the hop conversion rate is 1.03%. You don't have to be smarter than a fox to promote this offer. So go and get it. The number 1 ClickBank offer of February of 2024 is Pure Vive. I mean, you guys knew it, right? Like, it was obvious. It's like The Bachelor. You know who's going to win. He's a guy who has a stable family and a good job. Holding steady in his first place is like that Bachelor, and it is pure thriving. It's science-backed and proven, and this blend of all natural tropical ingredients targets belly fat by increasing brown adipose tissue. That's the tissue that keeps people lean by firing up that metabolism. And Pure Vive is geared towards folks of all ages who are looking to improve health, shed them pounds, and kickstart their metabolism. The conversion rate is excellent, by the way, and that APV, woo, it's pretty impressive. So it does convert and it does work. Pure Vive offers excellent affiliate tools and their branding is impeccable. Has a clean lander, awesome upsells, and convincing testimonials. Pure Vive is the offer for you for Q1. So check out the affiliate tools page and then start promoting. And why should you start promoting? Oh my God, these stats. EPC, $1.47, an average payout value of $140.73. It has a hop conversion rate of 1.04%, and it's working on all traffic. I mean, all of these are working on all traffic, but this is really working on all traffic. Now, we are getting out of January, where it's a prime diet and weight loss, but this one is still going to kick. And if it's anything like its brother, Exapure, it's gonna keep kicking for a while. If it's anything like its sister, which was Alphaline, it's gonna keep kicking for a while. So go, promote it. It is amazing. Oh, we're done so soon? We were just getting to know each other. I just felt like we were gonna do it again. Like, no, like, do I stay here? Do I go to, no, I know, I was gonna head out anyway. So, you know, we'll dive into some more offers next month, you know. Like, that's what I was gonna do. You know, I was gonna be here next month. Like, I'm cool with waiting. I'm cool with being, like, I understand the pace. Like, I don't wanna take it too fast. I don't wanna take it too slow. I don't wanna throw too many offers at you, you know, too much. But I really am here for converting, you know? But you know what? If you're not, I'm not. And so I am here for you. I'm an ally, and I'm here. So, as always, remember to like and subscribe. Drop your comments below. We want to hear you. We need to hear from you. Please don't ghost us. Please don't ghost me.